These dog ropes were sent for our review, well, actually for Walter's review, and these kinds of toys are his absolute favorite. So I know he's gonna be super excited. I love that they're the big, thicker ones because when he plays with this, he is so aggressive. You've got the really, really nice braiding here. So I like that this is kind of all separated here. That's fun for him to play on and chew. But then here, it's really, look, he's already going, he loves this. But here, it's really nice and tough and strong, so it's not going to break easily. I do like that it has a couple of knots in this one, so it's easy for me to hold on and grab and play with him, and also for him to chew. This one is different, which I think is really cool. So you've got this kind of handle up here, you've got your knot. So he's so excited. These are literally his favorite kinds of toys because they are just so strong and durable. They are honestly my favorite as well because he's not going to break them and they're going to last for such a long time. As you can see in the video, here he is running around playing with them. It's really fun to toss. He doesn't like to bring it back to me, but he loves playing tug-of-war with them, so it's really great. So if you do have a dog, honestly, as long as it's not a super small dog, because as you can see, Walter here is not massive, but these are fantastic, and it also comes with 2 bags of the poop bags and even a little holder that you can attach to your leash.